with DrillFit Training. I'm going to show y'all the Cable Tricep Pushdown with the rope attachment today. This really gets that horseshoe portion of the tricep. A couple of different tips for this exercise. Whenever you go to push down, you really want to keep your elbows pinned by your sides and your chest up. This keeps the shoulders, chest, and traps a little bit more out of the movement so you can further isolate the triceps. Whenever you go to push down, you want to actually pull the rope apart and by your side. You're staying pretty close to the cable for this exercise. You can do a little bit more of a power movement on the way down, control back up. Power movement on the way down, control back up. As you can see here, you can really hit that horseshoe portion of the tricep. And that is going to be the rope tricep pushdown.